Hi students, 12th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 4, Exercise sum number 4. From the following information relating to Sridevi Enterprises, calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 4 years purchases of the average profit of 3 years. So we are going to find out the 3 years of average profit and 4 years of purchases, which means average profit multiplied by 4, we will get the goodwill, right? Next. A. Profit for the year ending 31st December 2016, 17, 18 were 1,75,000, 1,50,000 and 2 lakh respectively. A non-recurring income 45,000 is included in the profits of the years 2016 and closing stock of the year 2017 was overvalued by 30,000 rupees. Let's now, first of all, we are going to clarify this correction. Now we are going to prepare the tabular column for 3 years, right? First of all, we have to write the heading, that is calculation of the adjusted profit. Then we have to prepare the tabular column for the 3 years, that means 2016, 17, 18 and particular, okay, particular column. From that first we have to enter profit. For 2016 the profit is 1,75,000, 17th profit is 1,50,000 and 2018 profit is 2 lakh rupees respectively. Then what they given in the question, a non-recurring income of 45,000 is included in the profit of the year 2016. Before that, what is meant by non-recurring income? What we have to do with it? First of all, what is the meaning of non-recurring income? Which means irregular income or infrequent income or unexpected income. Okay. So non-recurring income means what? Unexpected income. So we received unexpected income immediately. Suddenly we received unexpected income 45,000 in the year of 2016. Okay. Say for an example, we have a puja shop near the temple. Okay, Sivan temple, Murugan temple, whatever it is. We have a puja shop. We run a puja shop near a temple. We earn normal income for every year. Suddenly we get unexpected income. That means suddenly we get non-recurring income in the year of 2016, 45,000 rupees. Okay. So how is it possible? Why? Because in the year of 2016, a temple performed Kumbhabhishekam ceremony. Okay. And there near the temple you have a puja shop, right? So in the year of 2016, you got non-recurring income because of the temple's Kumbhabhishekam. You earned non-recurring income in the year of 2016, 45,000 rupees. Otherwise, you get normal income as per the every year. Okay. Why? Because of the temple's Kumbhabhishekam, every people all gathered there from the different parts of the country or different parts of the place. Okay. So suddenly you earned non-recurring income, which means suddenly you earned unexpected income 45,000 in the year of 2016, right? So what is meant by non-recurring income? Non-recurring income means that is irregular or infrequent income. Okay. So we have subtracted that non-recurring income from the profit. Okay. So you earn 45,000 non-recurring income, unexpected income, suddenly you earned in the year of 2016. So you have to subtract 45,000 from the profit. You will get, after subtracted 45,000 from 1,75,000, you will get 1,30,000 rupees. And rest of the year 1,50,000 you have to enter here, and 2018 to 2 lakh rupees you have to enter. Okay. And then listen, by luck only you get that 45,000 non-recurring income in the year of 2016. It's not repeated for the every year. So we have to subtract that non-recurring income from the profit. You will get 1,30,000 rupees. Okay. And the next question is, the closing stock for the year 2017 was overvalued by 30,000 rupees. What we have to do with it? 2017, 30,000 rupees were overvaluation of the closing stock. What we have to do with that 30,000 rupees? First we have to know where is the closing stock will appear in the final account. So listen, where is closing stock will appear in the final account? The closing stock will appear in the final accounts on trading account. Credit side of the trading account, the closing stock will appear. Okay. What is the actual value of the closing stock? The actual value of the closing stock is 2000. In the year of 2017, the actual value of the closing stock is 1,50,000 rupees. Okay. But by mistake, we entered the closing overvalued. We entered 30,000 rupees. Overvaluated closing stock 30,000 rupees. By mistake only we entered overvaluation of closing stock. Okay. Overvaluation of closing stock means 30,000 means the closing stock increased. So the actual value is 1,50,000. We by mistake we entered overvaluation of closing stock 30,000 rupees. So it's converted into 1,80,000 rupees. Okay. So what happens? What we have to do now? So credit side of the total will be increased if the overvaluation of by mistake overvaluation of the closing stock increased. So the credit side of the total will be increased. If you get the total on credit side as per the format, you will get the balancing figure on debit side. That means you will get the profit on debit side. If you get the total on credit side, the balancing figure profit, you will get the profit on debit side. Okay. So if the profit is increased, you have to subtract it, the overvaluation of closing stock. Do you understand what I said? So if the profit increased, the overvaluation of the because of the overvaluation of the closing stock, you get the total on credit side. If you get the total on credit side as per the format, the profit, you will get the profit on debit side. So if the profit increase, you have to subtract it, the overvaluation of the closing stock. So you have to subtract it 30,000 rupees from 1,50,000 rupees, you will get 1,20,000 rupees. Okay. By mistake only you entered 30,000 overvaluation. Now it will be corrected. Okay. So as usual, other years you have to enter same amount 1,30,000 rupees and on 2000 in the year of 2018 you have to enter the same amount 2 lakh rupees. Okay. Then listen here carefully. Current accounting period's closing stock is to be the opening stock for the next accounting period. Listen, this is the closing stock, overvaluation of the closing stock, current accounting period closing stock. That means 31st December 2017 closing stock. Okay. So it is the next accounting period opening stock, right? As per the format, that 30,000 rupees overvaluation of the 30,000 rupees is the next accounting period's opening stock, 1st January. What is the next day from the 31st December 2017? 1st January 2018. Okay. So next accounting period opening stock is 30,000 rupees. Okay. So you have to write overvaluation of the opening stock is 30,000 rupees entered. What we have to do that 30,000 rupees, that 30,000 rupees? So before that, so for that we have to know where is the opening stock will appear in the final account. Listen, where is the opening stock will appear in the final account? You already studied in 11th standard. In final account, in trading account, the opening stock will appear on debit side of the trading account. On debit side of the trading account, the opening stock will appear. Okay, what is the actual value of the opening stock on 2018? The actual value of the opening stock on 2018 is 2 lakh rupees. Okay, but the overvaluation of the opening stock, by mistake we entered overvaluation of the opening stock 30,000 rupees. Okay, so you get the total on debit side. Debit side amount is increased than credit side, so you get the total on debit side. As per the format, if you get the total on debit side, you will get the balancing figure on credit side. That means you will get the loss on credit side, right? So if you get the loss on credit side, to adjust it the profit, you have to add the overvaluation of the opening stock 30,000 rupees. Okay, so after added 30,000 rupees with 2 lakh you will get 2 lakh 30,000 rupees. Other amount you have to enter. 2017 amount is 1 lakh 20,000 rupees entered, and 2016 amount is the same amount 1 lakh 30,000 rupees. Okay, so this is the adjusted, this is the profit after adjustment. 1 lakh 30,000 rupees, 1 lakh 20,000 rupees, 2 lakh 30,000 rupees. After adjusted the profit, now we are going to find out the goodwill. To find out the goodwill, what is the format? Average profit into number of years of purchases. So if you find out the goodwill, you have to find out the profit, average profit, simple average profit. Okay, what is the simple average profit? Total profit divided by number of years. Okay, what is the total profit? To find out the total profit, you have to add the 3 years of profit. 1 lakh 30,000 rupees plus 1 lakh 20,000 rupees plus 2 lakh 30,000 rupees you will get. After added these 3 amount, you will get 4 lakh 80,000 rupees. Okay, how many number of years? There are 3 years, 2016, 17, 18. So number of years is 3. Okay, now we have to cancel it. 1 3 is 3, remaining 1. Okay, so 6 3s are 18. This 40 is to be added here. So 60,000 rupees. The average 1 lakh 60,000 rupees. Okay, so what is the average period per year? 1 lakh 60,000 rupees per year only. Okay, so what is the format for goodwill? Average profit into number of years of purchases. Average profit per year, just now we find out, that means 1 lakh 60,000 rupees. What is the number of years of purchases given in the question? The number of years of purchases is 4 years. Okay, average profit per year is 1 lakh 60,000 rupees. How much for 4 years into 4? So after multiplied 1 lakh 60,000 into 4, you will get 6 lakh 40,000 rupees. So the value of the goodwill is 6 lakh 40,000 rupees. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it into the comment box. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care.